video, I am going to explain how to draw fitted plots of Gamma and Weibull distributions using R software. Fitted plot shows how to add a fitted distribution to a histogram. Weibull distribution. This is the probability density function of Weibull distribution, where alpha is the set parameter and theta is the scale parameter. The Weibull distribution is one of the best known lifetime distribution. It adequately describes observed failures of many different types of components and phenomena. It is also used to forecast technical changes and weather forecasts. Gamma distribution. Gamma distribution is one of the most popularly used lifetime distribution. This is the probability density function of gamma distribution, where alpha is the set parameter and theta is the scale parameter. Gamma distribution is used to model wait times. That is, how long will you need to wait for the next bus or train to arrive? Open the R software to generate random numbers of Weibull distribution. I am using the command W equal to R Weibull bracket 100, 1.5, 2.5. Here 100 is the sample size and 1.5 and 2.5 are the two parameters of the Weibull distribution. Similarly, to generate random numbers of gamma distribution, I am using the command Z equal to R gamma bracket 100, 1.5, 2.5. Here 100 is the sample size and 1.5 and 2.5 are the two parameters of the gamma distribution. Here X denotes the secondary dataset. For histogram, I am using the command hist. The lines density W is for the Weibull distribution and the lines density Z is for the gamma distribution. Now I am going to select all the commands and go for run. This is the fitted plot of Gamma and Weibull distribution, where the red lines denote the Weibull distribution and the green line denote the gamma distribution, and the histogram is for our mentioned secondary dataset. Here you see the gamma distribution gives the better fit in the mentioned secondary dataset. So this is the fitted plot. Thank you for watching.